Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, loaded with features. Features also include remote start, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2016 4Runner. 4Runner durability is unbeatable. There are more 4Runners on the road today than any other midsize SUV. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto off, mirror memory, navigation system. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.